Welcome back, everybody, to another update for SMCI tomorrow, Monday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for education purposes and will not provide any financial advice. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, we got SMCI still consolidating down after the huge drop from, as we discussed before, not get a good earnings, 7% suppressed down for the earnings and just 3% down, or 222 million suppressed down for the revenue. So you see what's going on, guys. After the earnings, we got a bit of pullback, 23%, and now we are consolidating for almost 2 weeks. Sometimes this consolidation will take 2 weeks, 1 month, or more. It depends on the news, it depends on the right buyer, and depends on holding the current support that we're still holding over the $40. But right now, everybody this asking me in the comment section, and of course having this intriguing question: when we could anticipate the reversal so we don't miss out on this dip. Because if you want to buy during this consolidation, it's kind of it's you have to wait and you put your money down and you be worried that the price will be consolidating for weeks or for months. And of course, you don't want to be holding this position down where we could actually put it on other stocks that are jumping up quickly, like the other stock that we discussed before, which is Open, and other many stocks that we discuss for our Hunter channel on Discord. If you are one of our members here, guys, we always do many updates for those stocks for Open here before, and of course on on our Discord we discuss Open and we discuss other stocks. Opened was before the around the tree, and after that we did another update we did for XPON and other many other stocks like Maya, and of course TLY before the jump here. So the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join our 100 channel, and of course have the entry and exit for those stocks, swing trade stocks and day trade stocks, of course. So for SMCI, guys, so we've got a consolidation area here for 2 weeks. So how we know that we start to reverse and we'll be ready for a reversal, and of course an active reversal up. As we discussed before, we got a seller, guys. So right now is hiding around the 86 or 48.60. Yeah, 48.60. So for next week, guys, if we saw SMCI jumping almost 7%, is mean we have to be ready for entering, because of course SMCI, if it jumped, guys, it jumped 50%, 40%. So we don't want to have to miss those kind of trade once it happened. So for SMCI, if we have the 7% jump, is mean we've got an active reversal, and of course we should have an entry for it around this level. So right now we have 7% down or 7% up in order to confirm the first leg of reversal. Right now we are around the 45, we're getting near the 40, so we are technically, let's see how much we, almost 9% down from the bottom, and almost 7 or 8% down from the reversal zone. So we are in midway for SMCI. We're gonna see what's gonna happen next week on Monday. If we have this breakout, we're gonna discuss it early on Discord, and of course we're gonna discuss it as usual on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open, guys. So thank you for watching. The link comment section below if you want to join our Discord, and at the early live streaming that we do before, and the early update that we do for watch lists and requested stocks every day on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching in the meantime, and see you by tomorrow.